Hey guys, morning. So today I'm going to drive from Queenstown to Glenorchy. Last 2 days have been complete wastage because it's been raining and raining. I was not able to go out, do any vlog, show you around. Crazy. So I was just like driving and driving with the map in hand and destination in mind like an Uber or Ola driver. It was quite boring, but today the clouds are off, so let's drive. So I have been getting a lot of questions about this car. Seems I have really made it famous by uploading all those crazy pictures to my Instagram and Facebook. So this is the Kia Sportage 2017 limited edition model. It costs like I guess 20 lakhs here in New Zealand. I guess Kia Motors is going to come to India like in 2018 or 2019, and for sure they're going to get this SUV. This is like loaded with all those crazy features. The only downside is लेती बहुत ज़्यादा है and देती बहुत कम है. Today's drive, the Queenstown to Glenorchy, is just like 50 kilometers of drive. It's a short drive and it's one of the 10 best scenic drives in the world. I had read about it and I can already see that. Would you like to see the same? Here is from my bird's eye. So Queenstown is a green NFC zone. So basically drones are not at all allowed over here. So I just had like some low height flights. I absolutely do not recommend anyone to fly their drones in any of the NFC area unless you are really a very good pilot. So I'm like halfway through Queenstown now and those clouds and landscapes are absolutely enchanting. So here are some crazy 8K motion time lapses downscale to 1080p for you. So tomorrow I have to drive the same route again because tomorrow I am driving to Teanu, which is like 250 kilometers from here, and sadly those Queenstown roads are way too windy. It doesn't allow you to drive that fast, way too slow roads, so it's going to take a long time tomorrow to drive. I just hope to reach early tomorrow. Maybe I will start early because if the weather permits, if it's not cloudy, if it's not raining, I'm going to start early and reach Teanu early because I need to reach early and do a lot of photos because there are a lot of places in Teanu, and next day we are driving to Milford Sound. Cyclone. This is super cyclone. Can you hear the wind? Let me show it to you. gold. Absolutely gold. Alright, just reached Glenorchy. It was one hell of a drive. I so loved it, and this place is heaven. To see at those snow-clad mountains, and this is my motel, that's my room, and the reception. Let me show you one lovely thing. So when I approached the reception for my check-in, I did not find anyone, and I found this. Welcome Monday 21st, Mindrajana, Unit 4, key in door, milk in fridge, cheers cat, and the number. Amazing service. So I will just go ahead and find a Vodafone store to top up my SIM card, because I'm already done with the 3GB data for the one which I purchased at the airport for $50. I need to top up with it 1GB or 2GB for like $35 now, and find some food and drinks. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you loved the vlog. If you have got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. If the video helped, if you liked the video, go ahead and share with your friends. Let them know someone crazy in traveling in the world. And here is the uncut version of the roads, because I did not want to trim any of this roads. You need to see this. You absolutely see this. Go ahead and watch. Push.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free. I was made to be free. I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me.